Hi everyone. So as I had promised to my students who have enrolled in the Polity course that I would be sharing about how I can use the best from the lectures that you get here. As you can see, so these are the lectures that have been already uploaded in the Polity course by far, because it's just 1 week of releasing the course, and of course from today onwards we are going to have more lectures in it. So you can see that I have told you that I will be using these sources and telling you that if I would have watched the lecture as a student, how I would have made the notes. This is just the beginning. This is just from the initial few minutes of the initial lecture. Once I complete these notes, I'll share with you, I'll help you understand कि अगर आप एज अ स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे इसको देख रहे हैं, सो हाउ डू यू मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ एक बुक कवर करने की बात नहीं है. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू मेक द कॉम्बिनेशन बिकॉज वी हैव टू डू इट टॉपिक वाइज. सेकेंडली यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हेडिंग्स कैसे देने, सब हेडिंग्स कैसे देने, हम मार्जिन्स कैसे लगा सकते हैं, वेयर इन वी कैन हैव द previous year questions, etc. This is just a sample, like just from the initial few minutes. Very soon, once I finish this work, I'll be sharing the details with you, and soon I'll do the same for history so that you understand that how you can make use of the history lectures and these polity lectures. So happy learning, guys. Take care. Bye bye.